Hey everyone, welcome to Yidu Language Tube. Today's topic is adorable, educational, and maybe a little weird. We are learning baby animals' name with their young ones in English. I know this is a very simple and easy topic for today. Did you know a baby platypus is called a puggle? Not yet? Alright, I know it sounds like a coffee order, but whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, by the end of this video, you'll be using these terms like a pro, right? Let's get started. Common animals with their simple terms እናያለን። ለምሳሌ cat አለ. The first one is cat አለ. የcat ልጅ ምን ይባላል? It's called kitten ይባላል ማለት ነው። kitten እንለዋለን። And also ደግሞ የዶግ ልጅ ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? ብዙ ጊዜ የውሻ ልጅ ወይ ዶግ ምንለው it's called puppy, right? It's called puppy ብለን እንጠራዋለን ማለት ነው። And also cow, the baby of cow is called calf, right? Calf. The baby of cow is called calf ተብሎ ነው የምትጠራው። Horse, the baby of horse የፈረስ ልጅ ምን ይባላል? It's called foal ብለን እንጠራዋለን ማለት ነው። የፈረስ ልጅ don't forget that ማለት ነው። And sheep, the baby of sheep is called what? Lamb, right? It's called lamb ይባላል ማለት ነው። የበግ ልጅ lamb ብለን እንጠራዋለን። And the duck, the baby of duck is called ducking ይባላል ማለት ነው። የduck ልጅ ምንድን ነች? ducking. That is called ducking. And the baby of chicken is called chick ማለት ነው። The baby of chicken is የዶሮ ልጅ is called chick ትባላለች። The baby of pig is called what? Piglet ትባላለች። የፒግ ልጅ is called piglet ማለት ነው። የአሳማ ልጅ is called piglet በመባል ትታወቃለች ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እና ላይክ ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። And the baby of bear is called cub, right? Cub. Bear is called cub. Don't forget that. And then the baby of goat is called kid. The baby of goat is called kid. And also kangaroo, the baby of kangaroo ወይም የካንጋሮ ልጅ ምን ትባላለች? Joy. It's joy ትባላለች ማለት ነው, right? As you can see here in the picture. And the baby of swan is called Seagent, right? It's Seagent. The swan lady is called Seagent ትባላለች ማለት ነው። And also the other one is the baby of deer is when የአጋዘን ልጅ ትባላለች that's called fawn, right? Fawn. The baby of deer is called fawn. And the baby of elephant ካለን የኤሌፋንት ወይም የዝሆን ልጅ ምን ትባላለች? calf, right? It's called calf ትባላለች ማለት ነው። So elephant and calf ማለት ነው። And the next one is owl. Number 15 is owl. The baby of owl is called owlet, right? Owlet ትባላለች። የጉጉት ልጅ owlet በመባል ትታወቃለች ማለት ነው in English. And the baby of fox is called የቀበሮ ልጅ ምን ይባላል? kit, right? It's called kit በመባል ትታወቃለች ማለት ነው። And also don't forget to like and subscribe ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። And number 17 is called rabbit. The baby of rabbit is called kit or pony, right? The baby of rabbit is kit or pony ትባላለች። And the baby of frog is called tadpole. The baby of frog is called tadpole በመባል ትታወቃለች ማለት ነው። And also the baby of goose is called gosling, right? The baby of goose is gosling በመባል ትታወቃለች። And the baby of war is called calf, right? ብዙዎቹ calf በመባል የሚጠሩ ናቸው፣ ተመሳሳይ ናቸው አንዳንዶቹ ማለት ነው። የቤቢ ስማቸው ተመሳሳይነት አለው። So the war's baby is called calf በመባል ትታወቃለች ማለት ነው። And the baby of tiger is called calf again. You see that? ነብር ልጅ ካፍ ነው የምትባለው ማለት ነው ትንሿ። and baby of penguin is called chick, right? The baby of penguin is called chick በመባል ይታወቃሉ ማለት ነው። and the other one is called number 23 is seal. The baby seal is called poop, right? The baby seal is called poop በመባል ነው የሚጠሩት ማለት ነው እነዚህ የምታዩዋቸውን አይነት እንስሳ። and the baby of zebra is called foal በመባል ትታወቃለች። the baby of horse is the same as foal, right? so the zebra baby is called foal በመባል ትጠራለች። እንዲሁም horse the baby of horse is called foal በመባል ይታወቃል ማለት ነው። and number 25 is ape baby is called infant, right? infant በመባል ይታወቃል። jellyfish, the baby of jellyfish is called palarvia or ephria or palarvia በመባል ይታወቃሉ ማለት ነው። right? እነዚህን እንግዲህ የአኒማል ስሞች ያው ልታቁም ላታቋቸውም ትችላላችሁ። እንግዲህ ያው የማታቁትን ኮሜንት ላይ አሳውቁልኝ። the baby of shark is called poop. the baby of shark is called poop, right? and the baby of octopus is larva or palarvia, right? the baby of octopus is larva or palarvia በመባል ይታወቃሉ ማለት ነው። and also number 29 is the cheetah. the baby cheetah is called cub, right? the baby cheetah is called cube በመባል ይታወቃሉ። and armadillo, the baby of armadillo is called what? ምን ይመስላችኋል? poop ነው። it's called poop ማለት ነው። so the armadillo baby is called poop ነው። this is all about ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ይመስላል እንግዲህ። ይሄን ከወደዳችሁ አይታችሁ ዝም ማለት ነው። this is all about for today's ማለት ነው። የተማራችሁትን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። የዛሬው ቶፒካችን እንግዲህ ለዚህ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ላይክ እና ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ።